have a fam, but it starts tomorrow, and I need to get from Donegal to Kildare. So I am going to take the bus from Donegal to Sligo, and then the train from Sligo to Kildare, and then a cab from Kildare, I keep saying Kildare to where I'm staying in Tullamore, which is 12 miles outside of Kildare. So fingers crossed, everything works out. But yeah, who knew, right? So here we go. I should have rented a car, but they do drive on the other side of the road. I don't know if I want to do that for the first time by myself. I feel like I need a passenger that could be like, wait. So, but I'm getting ready to go, and yeah, that's it. Keep it posted. All right, I'm gonna go a little busted, but I am now on the bus on the way to Sligo. It's the bus going straight to Galway. So we'll pull it up on Google Maps. My glasses are talking to me, and I'm in the middle of trying to record this. Anyway, so I'm on the bus on the way to Galway, but I'm going to stop over in Sligo and then take the train from Sligo to Kildare. So wish me luck, because I got two different routes on Apple Maps versus Google Maps. And then when I'm staying at a place called the Barn House, the Barn Lodge. So when I messaged him for the address, he gave me the coordinates. I put that in, and that gave me a slightly different route. So yeah, I'm on the way. This is exciting a little bit. My plans a little bit. I am going to go all the way to Galway and then take the train from Galway to Kildare. Why? Because it's much cleaner. Like, once I change that train, I don't have to change it until I get there. And then I can hop in their Uber, which is all free now. So I would rather do that than have two more buses and trains to switch by getting off at Sligo. So, alright, so now I'm on my way to Galway. Bus stop, that's Sligo, and I just went up to the driver and let him know that I wanted to continue to Galway and just pay the difference. I was trying to do it on my phone at first, and it was going to charge me a whole another $20, well, €20. So I was like, let me ask, because it's only 27 to go from Letterkenny to Galway and 20 to go from Letterkenny to Sligo. So that would have made me end up paying 40 to go. Ooh, I got chips on my lip. So I asked the driver, like, hey, can I pay the difference? And he was like, sure. And then he couldn't pull it up, so he ended up giving it to me for €5.50 difference. So I just paid €5.50 to continue on to Galway. So then once I get to Galway, I'll hop on the train and continue on to Kildare. So overall, it's just probably about 30 minutes longer than what they were quoting on Google Maps for taking the bus into Dublin. But I just really didn't want to do all those changes because I got all my luggage. And yeah, so here we are. Train into Kildare. The 520 Houston station to go. All right. There we go. Oh, it's raining, of course. Line that across. Okay. How are you? Pretty good. Okay. Say one more time.
All you can ask for.
Yeah. Hello. Look at you. Hi.
Here is a little space maybe.
Oh.
So it's a little inside area. You can kind of watch TV, and if you smoke or vape, you can do so over here by the windows, just not to have it in everybody else's area. But you can,
Makes sense.
You can have some over there.
Okay.
And if you're having the TV on, just don't have it like loud,
Super loud.
too late.
Makes
yeah,
sense.
But other than that, you're fine.
Okay.
There's little lights over there, little low lights. If you want, you can turn on. But you can use this area. You can
Okay.
look away. Now, if you come this way,
All
I'll show
right.
you the rest of the areas. Now, I'm going to show you your room first, and then I'll show you the other areas. Is that okay?
Okay. Yes, it's perfect.
So you're going to far to go. You're right here.
Oh, wonderful.
So this is your room for the night. I'll just
Thank
pop it in
you.
the bag.
Oh, how lovely. Thank you. Can I just put this on here?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, and I'll just put my backpack as well.
Yeah, maybe just drop it off so
Yeah.
you can have a bit of comfort.
Oy.
Your hand, are you okay?
Yeah, I think my hand's stuck there.
Yes. Okay, I've got
Oh,
it.
okay, that's heavy too.
Okay.
All right.
Now,
There we are. Okay. Hand's still stuck. There we
are
are.
you okay? So I'm
Okay.
just going to put this down for you in here. Is that
Okay, that's perfect.
Now, okay, so that's you for the night.
Okay.
Okay, come with me and I'll show you.
Okay.
So, the bathrooms are up here.
Okay.
The toilets are on one side and the shower rooms are on the other.
Okay.
There is two spots, if you like, in each side.
Okay.
They're female and female, but you can go where you want.
Okay.
Now, once you're in, if you just turn the key in the door,
Uh-huh.
you're on your own.
Okay, perfect.
All right. And I'll show you we can get a nice cup of tea.
Okay.
I'm glad of a cup of tea.
Yes.
There we go.
Oh,
I'll
lovely.
do that
Okay.
area, don't worry, I'll get rid of that.
Okay.
So there is the microwave, air fryer. You can use the milk in the fridge.
Okay.
You can use anything like plates, cups, saucers, that kind of thing. Have you had food yet?
No,
Or-
I haven't.
You haven't? Okay, I'll show you. There is a little QR code
Mm-hmm.
out there that you can scan to get people to deliver the food
Oh,
to here.
perfect. Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you that. It's not there. It's outside in a little place, but I'll show
Okay.
it to you.
Okay.
And when you're ordering your food, if you just just ask your driver to give you a call
Uh-huh.
or to give you an approximate time so you can kind of pop out.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay.
This is Martin. Martin, this is
Hello,
Martin.
Martin.
This is
I'm
Martin.
recording. Is that okay? I'm recording just the area. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Good, lovely to meet you. Yeah, good.
nice couple from Mexico, Alonso and Lola, and they were really lovely people. The whole country's only about 5.25 million, so it's not very big anyway.
They told me the best way to get to Kildare was to take the bus from Donegal to Dublin. And I said, well, I've been to Dublin already. I want to see what else is here. And I decided to take the bus the opposite way through Sligo, down to Galway, and then the train from Galway to here. Cool. And then found you guys on the route, and I said, that looks like a place I'd like to stay.
Awesome.
All right, and I believe it's just 2 stops to Kildare.
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
2 stops to Kildare.
This was a great on-the-way journey.
Where's the first one? Yeah, it's literally, it should be, like, it's very quick.
Yeah. Hey! No problem. That's nice. How are you?
Kildare.
I'm here. So I made it to Kildare. But listen, I gotta say the wheels on this thing are really good. Like they've been rocking and rolling over everything. Oh, do I need a crossover? I do. I made it to Kildare a day later, right? But I enjoyed my night at the Barn Lodge. It was really nice. I didn't take any pictures out in front, which I probably should have, but you know, sometimes you're just talking and enjoying the moment and you forget to do certain things. So sorry y'all, but it's a nice place, I promise you. But I'm waiting on my free now, and then I'm going to go to Silken Thomas and the tour will begin. So this will be the end of my individual solo excursion. All right, toodles.